Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Abhra Boral, and today I'm going to explain you the chapter number 4 of your computer science book. Okay, so the name of the chapter is More on MS PowerPoint. The question answers are already been given to you, so today I will only explain the chapter. So for this chapter I have divided the chapters in some subtopics, that is ways to create new presentation, inserting pictures, inserting SmartArt, adding bullets and numbering, inserting tables, applying themes, animation, and inserting music. So this is all about this chapter. So you already know what MS PowerPoint is, right? As you have studied it in the previous class. So what is MS PowerPoint? It is a presentation software. Okay, so you know how to create a new presentation in it. So there are three ways, mainly there are three ways to create a presentation. So now let's go to our MS PowerPoint and just see the three steps. Okay, so PowerPoint. So this is my PowerPoint and it is MS PowerPoint 2007. So this is my MS PowerPoint window, and there are three ways. So what are the three ways? The three ways are blank and recent. So if I create a new presentation, then there is a blank presentation. See, there is a blank presentation. So if I click it here, then a new presentation will be created and we can edit it however I want it. So the next way is templates. So again we just create a new slide, not slide, it is a new presentation. There is install templates. So in templates we can choose any template from here. So let us choose this template. So this is a predefined set of some images and designs. Okay, we have to just edit and put the text here and there to prepare the presentation. It is just a shortcut to prepare a good presentation. And another way is by themes. So again create a new presentation and there is a installed themes. So these are all the installed themes. We have to choose any one from them. Let us choose this one. Okay, so this is a new presentation and a theme is embedded here, and we can proceed like this only. Okay, I want to create a new slide, then I have to click here. See, new slide. So I have to click here. Then the types of slide option will be given to me, that which type of slide you want to add. Title slide, title content slide. So I will give only blank slide. Okay, but the see design, this maroon color is also embedded here. This is because of the theme. So there are three ways to create a new presentation. So what are the three ways? Here is the three ways: blank and recent, install templates, and installed themes. Okay, so let's look into your book. So this is your book. Okay, so see, here it is written that there are mainly three ways to create a presentation: blank and recent. So what does blank and recent do? Using blank and recent we just create a blank presentation. Okay, and next one is by install templates. So install templates are the saved presentations which include different themes and layouts that help to do our work quickly and easily. So this presentation is created by the installed templates and it has a pre-designed layout and theme. So see, this image, this text, all are pre-designed. I have not designed it. It was already designed. Okay, so it makes our work easy to create a presentation. Okay, and by the third way, that is installed themes, they are the set of pre-designed format of text, color schemes, and graphic effects. So in the third way, that is the theme, see, this color is shared by all the slides. Okay, So these are the three ways of creating a presentation. So the next topic is inserting pictures. So I think you know how to enter a picture in your presentation. You can insert a picture in your presentation in two ways. That is one from clipart and one from your files. That is the pictures which are there in your computer. Okay, so let's just see it. Okay, again I am opening my MS PowerPoint. It is here only. Okay, so let's just go to insert. This is the insert tab, insert, and this is the clipart. Okay, so we are inserting the picture through clipart now. So clipart, have to click it, and let's say search animal here. See, so this picture, click the picture, so it will come here. Okay, now by these circles I can drag it like this and enlarge the picture, and by clicking the mouse and dragging it we can rearrange it, means put it in the desired place. Okay, it is in the middle. And do you know what does this green circle do? It helps to rotate the picture. See, it helps to rotate the picture. So this is how you can insert a picture through clipart. And now we'll learn how to insert a picture from file. Okay, so again we go to our presentation software, and it was the previous clipart, so we select it and press delete, so it is deleted. Okay, now I want to insert a picture from my computer, so we go to insert tab again and picture. In earlier case we chose clipart, now I will choose picture. So picture, so it will access my computer hard drive. So whatever pictures are present in my computer, I can put those only. So let's just select this one. So this is a picture. So this picture has been inserted in this slide. So this is the way you can insert a picture from file. Okay, and you can also edit the picture like you want, like you can resize the picture, you can bring the picture in the middle, so you can edit as you want. Okay, and now we'll learn about SmartArt. So what is SmartArt? SmartArt is a graphical way of representation of text. Okay, so let's go to your book once. So inserting SmartArt, it is a graphic way to represent your text in different layout and style. So there are very easy steps to insert a SmartArt. So let's just read it once. We have to first click the insert tab. Insert tab is in the illustration group, you know it. We have to click it first, then we have to select the SmartArt, and then we have to choose a type of SmartArt. There are many types of SmartArt, and at last we have to click on the OK button. So let's just do it. So we can create a blank presentation, again create, and we have to go to insert tab of illustration group. This is the illustration group, this is the illustration group. We have to go to the insert tab and we have to choose SmartArt here. And these are the types of SmartArt: list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. These are the types of SmartArt. So let's just select any one of them, maybe cycle. Okay, So this is one type of SmartArt. So we can write here text as you want. So let's say I'm writing here, I can write, you can write anything. Okay, here you can write okay, so this is a type of SmartArt. So what you have done here, you have written here but in a graphical manner. Okay, so there is designs also. Okay, let's just create another SmartArt, new, and create a blank presentation, and insert SmartArt. Let's create a hierarchy one. Hierarchy SmartArts are of like this. See this. So this is a hierarchy SmartArt, and this is the main thing, and these are the sub branches. And see, there are 3 sub branches here, and there is 1 sub branch here. So you can also edit it. Maybe you don't require this sub branch. Okay, let's just assume it that I don't require this sub branch, so I want to delete it. So just select, it is selected. See, there are the circles, there are circles are there, so it means it is selected, and just press the delete key, it will be deleted. Okay, now there are 3 sub branches, and now I want that it should contain 7 sub branches, so I should add 4 sub branches. So can I do it? Yes, I can do it. How? See, here there are 3 text. So this is the main text, this is for this one, and these 3 texts are for these 3 sub branches. So I just require 4 more now. So I will just bring the cursor here and put enter. So 4th, see here the 4th one comes, then another one, so 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now I want to enlarge this SmartArt. So what can I do? See, these double-headed arrow comes, and I just drag it like this, it will be enlarged. And from this side also the double-headed arrow comes now, and I just drag it like this. In the down also double-headed arrow comes, and I drag it like this. In the up, see. Okay, now maybe I want it to be let's just try it here, rainbow. Here I want to write the color names, so violet, click here, indigo, click here, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are the 7 colors of a rainbow. So now I want that I should change these colors according to the color names. So how can you do that? So before that, I want you to notice that 2 new tabs, meanwhile 2 new tabs have been created. Did you notice what? This design tab and format tab. These design tab and format tab were not there previously. Just when you insert, you click on insert and you click on SmartArt, then these 2 new tabs have been created. Okay, so question may come in exam that which new tabs appears automatically when you insert a SmartArt. So answer will be design tab and format tab. So for the color change of each branch, you have to go to the format tab. Okay, format tab. So now the layout will change like this. Now you just select this one and you shape fill with violet. So this is the violet color, this one, so easy. And this one shape fill, and I think indigo color is this one or this one, I don't know actually. I think this one is indigo color. Okay, and blue color is like this only, and green color this one, yellow color shape fill, this one is yellow. Yellow is not visible because yellow, the writing yellow is of white color. So this one is orange and this one is red. So in this way maybe I can create this rainbow in which color? Let's just say in black. Okay, so in this way you can edit a SmartArt. Okay, this was the previous SmartArt you have created. Okay, so now I want to edit this also. So what can I do? There is one more way to edit it. I just wanted you to show that. Previous edit you have done with format tab. Okay, now you can edit it through design tab. In design tab there are predefined styles. You can just choose the style from those. Like I've selected this SmartArt and I click on change colors and I click on here. So see, the color has been changed, but whatever color is in this color scheme, those will be applied here. Okay, and in the format tab you can give your own colors. Okay, so this is the basic difference between design tab and format tab. You can edit by both. Okay, so in this way you can create a SmartArt and you can edit it, and you can also change the style. That means once you have created a SmartArt, now you want to change the style of the SmartArt. So for that you have to choose in the design tab you have to choose the layouts. See, there are many layouts. Okay, you have to choose a one. So this is the SmartArt you have created and you don't like it now and you want to change it. The whole style you can change by these layouts. Okay, so just when you click on here, the SmartArt changed. Okay, and through the SmartArt styles you can choose the colors. Okay, so you can choose the design like this. See, it is something 3D kind of thing appeared. Okay, so to change the layout of the SmartArt you should click on layouts. Okay, and to change the look of the SmartArt you should click on SmartArt styles. So in this way you can insert a SmartArt, you can edit a SmartArt. Okay, you can color a SmartArt of your own. So this will enhance your presentation quality. Now let's just learn about adding bullets and numbering. So you all know it because you have learned it in MS Word. The things which I have used here, so these things I have used with bullets. Okay, in MS Word this is the bullet and this is the numbering. In MS PowerPoint also same options are there. So let's just go to MS PowerPoint. Now I need to write something using bullets. Okay, so this is the bullets and this is the numbering. So for bullets I have to click here and choose one kind of bullet. So let's just choose this type of bullets. This is called star bullets. You don't have to know the names of all the bullets. So the bullet has appeared here and let's just write something here. Let's just write India, and when you press the enter key, the next bullet will come automatically. See, and okay, the next, press enter. Okay, then okay, so in this way you can write using bullets. The same you can do with numbers also. And you click on the text box and draw a text box here. Wherever you want to write, you draw a text box and you can write it. For using numbers, you have to click here, and let's just select the type of numbering we want to do. Let's just select this type of thing. So let's just write the same thing. Press enter key, press enter. So in MS PowerPoint also we can write something using bullets and numberings. Okay, now we'll learn about tables, inserting tables. So for tables also you have learned in MS Word. So in MS PowerPoint also you can insert tables. So in your book there are two ways given in your book for insertion of tables. So let's just refer to your book once. So here, inserting tables. So the first way that is given to insert a table in a slide, follow the given steps. And before this thing, you have to know the definition of table. What is table? If in a exam question is asked what is table, so what will write? Tables are wonderful structures for data, okay, that are to be presented in rows and columns format. Okay, this type of thing, the vertical thing are called columns and the horizontal thing are called rows. Okay, so the first way is given like this, that step 1 is select any slide layout that includes a table placeholder. Okay, so what is this? I will explain it. Slide layout and that includes table placeholder. Then click on the table placeholder. The insert table dialog box will appear. Enter the number of columns and rows and click on OK button. So what is said here? So we click on new slide. Okay, so what is said, there are types of slides. Okay, these are the types of slides. When you click on new slide, these are the types of slides will come as an option. Okay, now you have to select a type of slide which will contain the table placeholder. Table placeholder means, see, this thing, the thing which my mouse pointer is pointing, this thing is called table placeholder. In this slide, this thing is called table placeholder. This thing is called table placeholder. Okay, this thing is called table placeholder. So you have to select only those kinds of slide in which this table placeholder is present. Okay, so this is the title and content slide. If you click here, then this is the title content slide. Here the table placeholder is there. See, this is the table placeholder. When you click on this, insert table dialog box appears. That was written here. See, select any slide layout. You have to select any slide layout that includes the table placeholder. Okay, for example, title and content. We have selected the title and content slide. Click on the table placeholder, the insert table dialog box appears. Okay, so we have done that. We have clicked on the table placeholder and insert table dialog box appeared. Now we have to give the number of columns and number of rows. You just remember that columns are the vertical thing, rows are the horizontal thing. Okay, there are 5 columns and rows. You can change it also. Let's just keep it at 3 columns and 3 rows, 3 rows, and press OK. So see, there are 3 columns, 1, 2 and 3, and there are 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now you have to insert the data to fill the table. So if you click here, then you can write here table, and this one is, let's just say Monday here, Tuesday here, Wednesday. Okay, in Monday you have, let's just say, computer. I'm making a, say, kind of routine here. Okay, computer. And in Tuesday you have, let's say you have science, and Wednesday you have maths, and Monday again you have English, and Tuesday you have social, and Wednesday you have SMS. So in this way you can create a type of table. Okay, so this is the first way which is given in your book. And the next way which is written, see, in the note section there is written that you may also click table from the insert tab on the ribbon to create a table directly. So what do you mean by that? So it is the thing which you have done in MS Word, same thing. Okay, so for that you don't need to select a slide which will contain the table placeholder or this kind of thing. You can choose any slide. So let's just select this slide. Okay, or select a blank slide, new slide, blank slide. Okay, so this is a blank slide. Now in the blank slide we have to insert a table. So for this, click on the insert tab and choose table. Okay, you can select from here also. These are the number of columns and these are the number of rows, but I suggest you to click on this insert table option. When you click on this option, the same insert table dialog box appeared. Okay, from this also there is 5 columns and 2 rows. You just change it, the table comes. So this is also the way of creating a table. Okay, so we have done the ways to create presentation. We have learned how to insert pictures from both clipart and from file. We have learned inserting SmartArt, and we have also learned to edit it, and we have learned to add bullets and numbering, and just now we have learned insertion of tables. Okay, so these things we have done. So the thing which remains now is applying themes and animation and inserting music. So I will teach these things in the next lecture, and up to this, if you find any difficulty in understanding, so you can contact me in my WhatsApp. I will again come back with the second lecture of this chapter. So till then, be at your home and keep studying. Thank you.